Right, hi guys, here's a quick video on how to get your project into final submission. So if you're doing this on a home computer, it won't work because the final submissions folder is on a college server, okay? So if you are taking your project from home, you need to put it on a USB stick and bring it in, or upload it to Google Drive and then download it to your user area. So we're on our computer at college, we're on our desktop. We're going to want to click on our File Explorer and go into our user area or wherever we've saved our project. Okay, so for mine, for example, is in film coursework, so I'll just double click on that, and there is my file. Okay, now a good tip to get this dragged in is if you right click on this PC, open a new window. We then have all of our college servers, okay, and we want the media and film server. If we double click on that, we have final submissions. Now I've named my my film accordingly, so it's my name, my student number, which obviously is not my student number, that'll be yours, the course, and my teacher. That just means when it's in final submissions, it's nice and easy to know. Okay, so we just want to click and hold and then drag into final submissions and then let go. Okay, and that'll copy over. One thing to know is, obviously I'm a technician, so I can access this folder, but you guys can't. Reason for that is obviously you can't go in and accidentally delete everybody's work. So if you do drag something in that you didn't mean to, just come and chat to us and we can sort that for you, but you can only drag and drop into this final submissions folder. Okay, that is that, and that's really, really simple. Any other problems, just drop us an email, technet@farnborough.ac.uk. Nice one.